Dear friend, have you ever wondered what is so wonderful about breathing and blinking in the spiritual dimension? Do we need to think in order to breathe? Uh, do we need to think in order to blink? No. It happens on its own, even if we don't think so. At the same time, we can consciously observe and control our breathing and blinking. This simple fact of nature has been utilized by lots of our ancient masters to step into yet another dimension of mind. Now, let's try to do a very simple exercise. Focus and look at something you love to observe. It could be the person you like. So look at that thing, focus on it, and take a deep breath. And smile. Hold your breath and hold your smile. And please do not blink. Observe your smile as long as you can hold your breath, and then slowly exhale. So what actually happens when we use our senses or do something more consciously? For example, we breathe normally and smell normally, but when we smell more consciously, it activates our root chakra or Mooladhara. When we consciously forgive someone, it activates our heart chakra or Anahata. And when we smile consciously, it opens a lot many chakras at the same time. So, what do you smell now? A risk or an opportunity to try something new?